home reset and tidy up before moving out of this apartment. Hi everyone, you're welcome again to the channel. Today's video I will be changing our curtains, cleaning and organizing the living room, kitchen and bathroom, also the bedroom of course, before we actually move out of this apartment. This is actually going to be my last video here. In my next video, you will be seeing part of the moving process. So in this video, I'm just cleaning up and organizing these curtains for the new house. And once they are washed, I will put them away with the other items that I've already packed. All through this summer, I've been so busy packing and organizing for the new house. Although it's not been quite easy doing this between job, between family, between vacation, but all I have to say is I was able to do everything. So as I'm cleaning, I'm also removing every unnecessary items I don't need on that TV stand. And also the last thing I'm going to be doing here right now is cleaning the dust and sweeping as well. So once I'm done, I will also be cleaning the floor. As you can see from the video, I'm wearing a long sleeve t-shirt and the weather here has not really been so fair. It's been raining few days and today is just a day that it didn't really rain, so I'm still enjoying my summer anyway. When I'm done cleaning the bathroom, the living room, I will also be going out to run some errands, and when I come back I will be continuing with the bedroom. You guys, this is my living room and this is how far I went with the cleaning. Next I will be cleaning the kitchen cabinets and also removing stains and oil from the cooking stove. So when I'm done here, I'll also be moving to the bathroom, and once I'm done cleaning the kitchen and the bathroom, I will be going out to run my errands, and once I come back I'll continue with the bedroom. Also cleaned the carpet. All I used was a sofa and carpet spray. That's what I'm spraying there right now, and then I used hot vapor to scrub the carpet, and that was it. So I came back a while ago from running some errands, and now all I'm going to be doing is just cleaning the dining area and the bedroom. So if you've watched to this end and you did really love what you see, give this video a like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. This really do help our channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Ciao ciao.